Hey, what's up, XRP holder? It's time to celebrate now because remember the all crypto market is wake up, and especially from last 24 hour plus 5.21% the price is increased now. So I think this is very huge pump now. I hope remember the in upcoming time they also move upward, but we need to predicate this going to understand it better to upcoming time. Can really there is a chance so they will move upward or not. Otherwise, my friend, we cannot understand and we are sleepy absolutely, so we are going to sleep and absolutely we are lost now. So kindly be honestly watch this video completely and just and only subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more this type information and urgent updates videos. Now let's start the video. My brother, first of all, XRP price is very badly dumps down, my brother. In last 1 month the price is come to $1 my friends to 0.6 USD. This is very bad fail, but what we can say this absolutely, my friend, the crypto market are not compatible, so they will dumps down. So kindly holder, don't see the short fail and don't see the short jump. This time over there, if you can see the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and here if you can see over there after this long dump, my brother, after the long fails, you can see they also starting moving upward now. So this is the proper time. Definitely they will recover it again now, I hope. And last 24 hour also, if you can see here, my friend, that's only the last 24 hour. So last 24 hour change occur also, my friend, going to be positive now. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, too, this is absolutely possible to they will moving upward now. So holders, that's all just and only depends on you if you are hold. So I hope they will move upward, but if you start selling, so they cannot moving upward. So hope you understand, holder. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.